welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be showing you our trip to Georgia with my Menlo family. So this is a first na makapag-explore sa Georgia. Hi kitty! Hi kitty! Ang cute! Ang lalaki! Oh. You can pet them. Oh, really nice dogs. Hi! Hi! See? Okay. So now we're walking down the aisle of nowhere. I'm not actually sure where we are exactly, but the place looks so good. Para siyang mga talagang kopong-kopong years, old and classic kind of buildings. And here at the back, ang ganda ng ng mga trees, ang tataas oh. Kita mo yan? Kita niya? Taas, di ba? So, ganyan siya. Lalaki. So now, it's time to walk. We're going up. But I don't know. Pupunta. Yeah. So look at this vibe. Kapit tayo na malala kasi nakakatakot. Hi. Grabe, kinakabahan na ako. It's quite high. Woo! See? Nakakatakot. Okay. Hindi ko na alam kung saan na kami banda. But let's just follow the crowd. Follow the team. Hiningal ako. Yeah. Okay. Day 3, day 2. Actually, it's our day 2. So we're now going to the mountains. So sabi nila malamig daw doon. So medyo doble-doble ang damit natin. Para sure tayo kung malamig ba talaga. So ayos tayo ng hair. Yeah. It's outside. Yan, medyo konti na lang yung tao dito sa bus kasi dalawang bus kami. So yung iba nandun sa kabilang bus. Yan. Exciting.
Even better in the spring.
Wow, look at that beautiful view.
Jean Valley.
Jean Valley.
Yes.
Yeah, so now we're enjoying the view at this beautiful village. Will you look at that? See, it's a man-made lake. That's what they said. But it's a good view. Will you look at this view? Ang fresh ng air. Sobra. Can you smell the fresh air from here? Grabe, no? Nakaka-bless lalo. Yeah, baby. I wish you were here. Seeing this. Chris! Hi! Yeah. Mary. There. Diyan kami pupunta, guys. Yan. So, nakaano kami. Sunod na sakyan na to. Guys, so beautiful here. This could be my next investment. Right, Suresh?
Yes.
Oh, now I'm running out of breath. See? Can you look at that, guys? Hingal ako. So this is the monastery. Yeah. It looks so beautiful.
This is not Kazbegi.
Is this the Kazbegi? Hi! Oh, this is a big dog. Yeah. Okay. I can live here for like a week. So, please excuse my voice. May kasamang lamig. Yeah. Hi. So behind me, this is the monastery, like their church. Whew. Okay. So Umar, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Yeah. So here we are at the, what do they call this again? Monument Friendship, as they say.
Russian Georgian monument. Friendship
Yeah.
monument.
Friendship Monument. So we're going to show you so-called. Can you look at that, guys? It's so high. So we better be careful, okay, to stay away from the edges, or else, as they say, if you fall down, never find us. So the temperature right now, I believe, is still 8 degrees. So yeah, deserve ko to, ganyan. Ayan, deserve ko to, ganon. Hindi, malamig lang talaga siya, friends. Pero masaya. Minsanan lang. Yeah, too cold. Too cold. This is like a taste of heaven. Let's just be very careful not to get slipped because, you know, mahirap na. Uwi pa ako sa asawa ko. Hi. See, it's too high. Yeah. Be careful not to drop my phone. This is a reminder to myself. You know. Okay. Ganda. Ganda. Hot choco.
And there are the
Oh yes.
level.
Okay, I think we have to go. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Cheers, bro. Cheers.
Ooh.
Thank you, bye.
5 laris. So, this is 10. For the magnets, 10 laris. And this one, 5 laris.
One more.
Yeah. 5 laris. 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 5 laris time for dinner.
Welcome to George's.
Hi.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Hi everyone.
I just really wanted to thank you all for coming and for being here together. It's an incredible experience to be celebrating our third birthday as a company.
Yes.
More than 3 continents actually. So thank you very much for that. And I hope we'll make it an annual habit of ours to go to interesting and exciting places. Thank you to everyone and Galma.
Yeah, okay, let's start.
Let's cheers to Ina team. Gaugar. Gaugar. Gaugar.
Hi guys.
Hi Jaja Vlogs.
So city check. All good, all good. We have our break time today for like an hour. It's our third day and meron kaming conference. So we're using our 1 hour break to explore the city. Yeah. Hi again, guys. Karen. Just checking the city. City, city, city. Okay. I'm not sure with the weather forecast today, pero manageable naman siya. Mukhang mga nasa ano lang tayo. Nasa mga 15 degrees. Nanghula na lang eh. So, ayun lang. Masaya. Sana ganito ang weather sa Dubai. Sa Pilipinas. Yeah. Dito tayo sa isang shop. Nag-purchase lang tayo ng lip balm. Lip balm. So, ano lang to? 13 something. No, I just check this one, lip balm. Because I'm having dry lips right now because of the 13.60. Yeah. Lari. So, this is cheap actually. So, nagdadry na kasi lips natin guys sa lamig. Ito yung mga hinahanap kong adapters no isang araw pa. Dito ko lang pala siya makikita.
Oh,
So,
don't
yeah.
speak in your language.
Okay, English
Speak in English, so we can understand what are you saying.
So, I was saying,
So currently,
like, I was searching for the adapter the past 2 days and I only found it here.
yes.
So, yeah, but it's our last day, so
No, that what are you saying exactly?
okay. I'll try to speak English, but it's hard. It's
Yeah,
hard.
we can speak in English.
Yeah, it's a practice, right?
Yes. What if I will talk in my local language? Then
Ah.
what, you don't understand. I know.
My market is only for Filipinos.
Filipinos also know how to speak in English.
Yes,
They know
yes.
that.
So, see? We have... English daw? I cannot. Hirap kaya. Pwede lang tayo mga Taglish, ganon. Taglish lang. I will try my very best. But I can't promise. Bahala na si Batman. Kita nyo guys, ang maganda dito, meron silang yung main road. And I think this is for bike lanes. And this is for the walk lane. So for pedestrian, bike lanes, and the main road. Galing. Luwag ng daan. Amazing. Time to go. Tan 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 tan.
I'll see, but Oh my goodness, we are still on video, guys.
Yeah. No privacy when you're with me.
Oh my gosh.
See? Ang laki ng lakaran nila for the people. What is this? Casino? I'm good. Let's go after the crowd. Wow. So, yeah. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and mag-comment ayan for any questions or anything. Yeah.